We want to thank you for selecting Town Mortgage as your mortgage lender. We feel it is absolutely necessary to inform you of the process for closing your loan and what to expect from start to finish. There have been a tremendous amount of regulatory changes over the last 12 months, and we want to make sure you are aware of those changes. As your lender, we are required to obtain all your supporting documents with your assets, employment, and credit in a timely manner in order to meet your closing date. We have outlined some very important steps associated with your mortgage loan. The mortgage application should be completed prior to or at the time your contract for purchase was signed. You will be given a loan estimate that shows all your closing costs, interest rate, and the mortgage product you selected. Your interest rate can be locked at application and should be discussed with your loan officer. If there are any changes to the purchase agreement with sales price or down payment after your application, this could possibly delay your closing. Your loan officer will collect all your pay stubs, bank statements, W-2s, and the federal tax return at the time of application. All documents can be sent to you electronically by DocuSign or in person. Your processing team will order an appraisal to determine the value of your home. The appraisal is electronically delivered to us, and you will also receive a copy. Tax transcripts will be ordered from the IRS to determine accuracy of income statements collected from you at application. Your credit report will be electronically delivered to your loan officer, who will send to your processor. Every document collected will be reviewed by the processing team for its accuracy. The underwriter will review your complete file to see if it meets specific guidelines. They may require additional documents in order to support your final approval. The approvals utilize many factors, but most importantly, your ability to make the monthly payments based upon your income and credit. Upon approval of your loan, all parties in the transaction will be notified in order to coordinate the closing and final documents. The closing coordinator will contact the closing attorney, who will facilitate the actual closing of the loan. It is very important to remember that up until the closing of your loan, we are required to pull another credit report to determine if any of your credit card balances have increased. We ask that you do not purchase any items that will change your current balances, as this could change the status of your approval. We are required to send your closing disclosure to you and the closing attorney 3 days prior to closing. If any changes occur with rates or fees after this disclosure is sent to the attorney, there could be some delays with your closing. Any changes throughout the process will be communicated via email or phone. If you have any other questions or changes to the original application, please contact your loan officer or processing team. We are here to make sure your loan closes on time and that your mortgage experience is a successful one. Thank you again for selecting TowneBank Mortgage as your trusted lender.